Hey there, folks. Just a quick video of some Christmas cards that came in. Merry Christmas, everyone, 2023. First one we got here is from Boxcar Jerry. This custom printed here card, looks amazing. I think he had a video on this locomotive holiday train over on his channel. I'll leave a link in the description. And yeah, so Boxcar Jerry has a membership over on his channel. So I joined up. I like supporting most of the creators, everyone that has memberships. I throw in $1 or $2 in a hat every month for them to show my support. And yeah, so this is Boxcar Jerry's membership sticker. And a nice Christmas card, bud. Appreciate it. All right, next we have Mom and Son Train Rail fans, Tammy and Ray. Merry Christmas to you and yours. And Tammy also sent along this awesome 3D printed autism puzzle pieces. So this is going to look nice. I'm going to paint this up. I know, Boxcar Jerry actually had showed this off on his live stream that he had gotten one. And so, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and paint this up. And see, there's keychain. And keep this on my my keychain on my car keys, eh? Thanks, Tammy and Ray. Merry Christmas. All right, next we have Tri-Goglin, aka Pappy, and he also has a channel, Pappy's Potluck. I'm also a member of his channel. Every month, throw a couple bucks in the hat over to him. He has awesome rail fan videos, eh? He goes to some places that are just amazing. Kind of goes through like the woods and stuff. Gets shots that no one else really has as far as rail fan videos. Always fun to watch. And we got a nice Christmas card from him and a nice message. It's awesome. Thanks, Pappy. Merry Christmas to you. Next, we have one from Stormy Sky Rail Productions. Also, awesome rail fan videos from my home state of Wisconsin. They have a lot of excellent rail fan videos also. So please check them out, eh? I love watching their content. They capture some awesome stuff. So, and that's Jenny, Steve, and Dave. Merry Christmas to you all. And then we have, so I don't know if this video will be out first or the other one, but got a nice card from Mark over at M&M Rails, eh? Mark sent me a nice couple presents, so we'll show those here too. So he had sent me a couple CN box cars. And they're just wonderful that, how this community is. It's an amazing community, and it's just wonderful, man. Everyone is so nice to each other, and a lot of laughs, and yeah. So yeah, and that's from Mark and family over at M&M Rails. Again, Merry Christmas to you, Mark and Lily and Laura. Appreciate ya. All right, that's it for now, eh? All right, everyone. Merry Christmas, 2023. If I get more cards, I'll share them. So, all right, until next time, folks. Be kind.